Good afternoon and welcome to 2 o'clock in Dunbrody House, and we're actually cooking one of my favourite meats to cook, and that is a beautiful, beautiful pork chop. And it's not just a pork chop, it's a lovely, look at that pork chop. Get in there close there guys and have a look at it. This is like an organic, free-range pork. And if you look at it, it's the loin of pork. It's got like the T-bone, so it's got the T-bone here. You've got the fillet of pork here. You have the loin of pork here. You have the rind on the outside. You even have a bit of the kidney in there. Wow. I mean, you don't really see that very often, but when you see it, grab them and run because they're delicious. You've got everything going on there. So I'm going to put oil in my pan here. I'm going to put a good bit of salt and pepper and put that straight into our pan here. Get that lovely sizzle. More pepper on the outside. And some salt. What we have here is we have some onions. We're just going to slice those onions down like that. We have some broccoli spears here. That's probably enough there. We have some Brussels sprouts that we've just cut into quarters. Right there. And then what we have here is we have lovely anchovies. So we're going to actually make a lovely bit of anchovy butter. Anchovy is just going to dissolve and melt and give you great flavour on top of the pork, and that's what we're looking. We're just going to turn that pork over there now. Oh, look at that, isn't that delicious looking? Okay, once you turn it over, okay, you can put, this is a one pot dish, so we're going to put our vegetables in and around the pork chop. Like so. You can smell that pork chop cooking. You can smell the vegetables that are happening in there. It's really nice. So just here we're just going to take some butter, put it on our board, get some anchovies, chop those down, and then just mash the two together. You make a lovely anchovy butter. And you're probably saying to yourselves, what's he doing with anchovies? Trust me, anchovies and pork are amazing flavors, combination of flavors. Because that anchovy is, you're going to get that lovely saltiness off the anchovies. It's just going to melt down. You know that when you're doing like Oriental food, you're putting fish sauce into your Oriental food, into your chicken stir fry or whatever like that. So just kind of think of it like that. The flavour it's going to give. Look at that. And look how easy it was to make that butter. And it's just like pushing it down on the board like that, and you're crushing the butter, and you're getting a lovely bit of anchovy butter there. Lovely. Look how beautiful that looks. I mean, in fairness, all you really need to do there is throw a little bit of this anchovy butter on top of that and serve it, and you don't need to do anything else. And I think that's what I'm going to do. I was going to put some cream in there, but I don't think it needs it. It just looks too good like that. We've got some fresh rosemary. Throw that in there on top of it. Put your anchovy butter in the pan. Just let that melt down. Put more in there. All in. Oh, melt that down. Oh, the smell. Fantastic. Then just start coating your chop with that. Swirl it around So it's coating that lovely butter, all those flavors. Oh. Beautiful stuff. We've got some lovely cream and mashed potato on the plate. Pork chop, sit that on top. Look at that beautiful kidney there. Seriously, guys. What a beautiful dish this is. This is a real treat. Oh. Only cook this one for the people that really love food, because this is like too good. Enjoy.